How to check Panera Bread's gift card balance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So it's really simple to check your Panera Bread's gift card balance right from their website. Let's dive right in. Open up the browser, go to panerabread.com. You can see gift cards option in the top left, tap on it and then scroll down a bit. There you'll find check your gift card balance. Just tap on it and a new page will open up and you will need to tap on check balance. And once you do that, you'll need to enter your Panera Bread gift card number with no spaces and the PIN code. And just tap on check balance. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.